Tele mobile phone repair started in 2018 with no office and just a single employee. Their idea? Instead of making customers bring their phones in for repair, customers can mail their phones in. Or for quicker results, Tele will come to you, whether it be at home or the salon. But with COVID-19 guidelines, the owner had to make some changes.
The whole idea of Tele is that we try to provide the most convenient phone repair option out there. With COVID, kind of affected that. In order to survive, we had to adapt. It pushed us to think outside the box, get creative, get innovative.
For on-site repairs, Tele is now asking that customers place their phone inside a provided box to be picked up and returned as soon as it's repaired. But this isn't the only reason for Tele's success. Recent fame on the app TikTok has given the company a huge spike in business. Sharing phone tips and repair videos, Kibani quickly gained more than 170,000 followers and started receiving orders from all over the country. With all of the recent business, Tele was able to move into an office and hire more employees. No longer being a one-man show, Kibani is thankful for the support.
This is something that, if you told me 2 years ago, I'd tell you, get out of here. There's no way. It's impossible. You know, I couldn't be more grateful for the resources that we have.
There is some evidence that other businesses in the region are beginning to adopt the same business model. But with new followers and orders coming in every day, Kibani sees a bright future for Tele. Logan Dunn, OU Nightly.